Hello mga besh and welcome to another vlog. So for today, we will be doing another multiple activities that is related to our laboratory sheet in the integumentary system. So all these activities demonstrates on how the skin works and how it adapts to different conditions, whether in the environment, in changes of temperature, or how touch or sensory receptor works. So to follow along, let's start this video. For today's video, we will be doing another activity and it is called the testing tactile localization. So this activity requires two people. One will have to be blindfolded during this activity. Then the experimenter will have to touch the other's hand by using a marker. Then the subject will try to locate the same location using her own pen. Okay, so let's begin. Here are the two markers. So she will be holding the blue marker and I will be holding the black marker. So here you go. Okay, now let's start. I will be first putting the location in her hand. Kaya mo yun? Where? Okay. Kita mo. Okay, so this is our second try. Ano ba yun? Ayan. Game.
Hindi yun eh. Alam ko.
Okay, so this is the second try.
Third.
Okay, third try. This is the last try. Kapal ng tutok. Okay.
Ito talaga yun. Alam ko. Wait lang.
Okay, third try.
Can I take it from there first?
Yeah, you can take it off now. Nice.
Tama na!
So, here are the results for the experiment. So, at the first try, she missed it by 2 millimeters to the left. Then the second try, she almost got it by just 1.4 millimeters. And the third try, she already got it at the specific location. So, that is all for our experiment. Thank you for watching. Welcome back. So for another activity, we will be doing it with a partner once again. And this is called the adaptation of touch receptors. So I will be placing a coin to some areas of my partner's skin and she will feel it until her sense of touch will be lost. Time will be recorded after the activity. But in order not to see the coin, she will be blindfolded while doing this activity. Okay, so let's start. I will be putting the coin in some of the areas of her skin and the first part is the palm of her hand. Timer. Okay. Timer starts now. Okay, so we have 26.90 seconds in total. Okay, so for the next part, I will be doing it at the back of her hand. Timer starts now.
Oh, wala na.
Oh wow, bilis ah. Okay, so we have 16.26 seconds in in front of her forearm. Forearm, I mean. The forearm. Timer starts now.
Let's go.
Bilis, weh. Okay, so we have 11 seconds in total. In the last part, I will be doing it at the back of her arm. Timer starts now. Okay, so at the back of her arm, she has 31.42 seconds. Okay, so this is the second try. First, I'm gonna put the coin once again at the palm of her hand. Timer starts now. Okay, so we have 25 seconds in total. Next, at the back of her hand. Timer starts now.
Let's go.
Okay, so we have 10 seconds in total. I'm gonna put the coin at her forearm. Timer starts now.
Let's go.
Okay, so we have 13 seconds in total. Okay, lastly, at the back of her hand. 1, 2, 3, go.
Let's go.
Okay, so we have 36 seconds in total. Okay, third try. Palm of hand first. Time starts now.
Let's go.
Okay, next we're gonna do it at the back of her hand. 1, 2, 3, go. Okay, 30 seconds in total. Next, forearm. Timer starts now. Seconds in total. And last is at the back of her arm. Timer starts now. Bilis. 15 seconds in total. Here are the following materials that we will be using for our experiment. Here are the indicated areas for each paper square. First at the forehead, then at the palm of your hand, at the anterior forearm, and at the interior leg. First, I apply iodine solution on the swab. Then after applying enough iodine solution, I first apply it on the forehead. I try to cover the part with iodine that should be slightly bigger than the paper square. Next, I apply iodine at the anterior forearm. Then after that, I apply it on my palm. And lastly, I apply iodine at the anterior leg. And now it is time to put my paper squares. On each paper square, I secure a piece of masking tape. Then I apply it on each areas of the skin, which is covered with iodine. namely the forehead, the anterior forearm, the palm, and the anterior leg. Then I'll wait for 10 to 20 minutes. Since I am in a windy area, I tried to make accurate results and went outside for myself to sweat and to secrete more glands. Here are the following results on my sweat glands. So first I have the forehead, which has 12 dots and it has the most number of sweat glands. Then 9 dots for the forearm, 4 dots for the anterior leg, and 0 dots for the palm, since my palm is not that sweaty. So for another activity, we will be doing it with a partner once again, and it is called the thermoreception. So to follow along, let's go on to the video. Okay, so let's start this activity. Now here, I have a hot and a cold water, and she will rate the feeling of the water using this paintbrush from 1 as the coolest and 10 as the hottest. So let's start. Okay. Ready?
Parang dila yun. Ano yun?
Oh, sige, rate mo na.
It's normal water.
Really?
Yes, mga 5 or 6.
Isa lang. Stick to one lang dapat.
Yung 5.
5? Ah, sige. Okay, next. Second application. Ano ba ito? Ito nasa ba ito paintbrush? Ay, hindi na ata. Ito na. Same spot daw eh dito. Rate mo.
Hindi naman siya ganun kalawin. Mga 2.
Okay, so the first trial, first she got 5 as the ratings and the next she got 2. So let's go to the second trial. Okay, ito na. Next.
Okay.
Okay, rate it.
Siguro mga 8.
Okay. Next. Oh, rate mo.
Same.
Same pa rin. 8 pa rin. Okay, she got both 8 at the second trial. Okay. Rate na.
2.
Next. Okay, meron kayo dyan. Okay, rate.
Same.
Same pa rin. Okay. So both 2 at the third trial. Okay, last trial. This is the fourth trial. Okay.
2.
Next. Okay.
That is 6.
6. Okay, so at the first one, she got 2 for the ratings, and then next she got 6. So that's it. That's it. Hello, hello, and welcome to another vlog. So for today, we will be doing another activity as part of the Integumentary system, and it is what we know as fingerprinting. So to follow along, let's go on to the video. So over here, I have all the materials needed for the experiment. So first we have this ink. It was a little funny since I told my mom to buy an ink pad, but it turns out that she bought this literal ink for the pad. So, para-paraan na lang mga besh. I have this cotton as a backup to put the ink on, and I'll try my best to apply many ink if possible for better results. Then I'll try to place my thumb on the ink stained cotton. We'll see how it goes. And then over here I have my alcohol and a swab to clean both thumbs before doing the test. And over here I will put my results in the laboratory sheet, specifically at these two corresponding boxes, which is labeled as the left and the right thumb. I will put my fingerprint right over there. So let's get started. Ay, what's up, bro? Oh my gosh, nagsistain na pala siya. Okay. Good start? Okay, here goes nothing. Got it. Right thumb, check. Here you go, guys. It's not that clear though, but I think we're done. And here are the results for the fingerprinting. Actually, the ink was still there on my thumbs. So first is the right thumb, and what shape that I've noticed is a loop shape. And of course, at the left thumb, what shape that I've noticed is forming an arch shape. So that is all for the activities in the Integumentary system at Anatomy and Physiology Laboratory, and I hope you have learned something. Thanks for watching.